One day you notice that you tried to turn on or off the water in your bathtub and your faucet is not working. That means you need to replace your faucet cartridge. The first thing you need to do is to turn off your water supply for hot and cold water. Then start disassembling your faucet. In my case, my faucet type requires you to remove the handle and then unscrew all those bolts before you get access to the actual broken cartridge. It's a good idea to clean up any buildup that appears on the parts that you're disassembling. Just make sure you clean them off. If you do that type of repair for the first time in your life, I would recommend you to shoot a video out of what you're doing on how you're disassembling the faucet, so when you assembling it back, you do not forget which detail belongs to which step. Most probably the lubricant on the old cartridge already dried out, so you need to apply a good effort to pull it out. Don't be afraid to pull really hard. I'm going to install a Danco type cartridge instead of the old Moen cartridge. This cartridge is much easier to turn on and off. Some reviews say that it's not as reliable as the Moen cartridge, but from my experience it is not true. The one that I installed in previous years works already for like 5+ years, and I never had any troubles with that type of cartridge. Now use the lubricant that you find in a package and apply everything that you have in the capsule on both sides of the rubber gasket of the cartridge. Make sure you use it all so the installation goes smoothly, and turning the water on and off also works smooth for you. Then assemble everything back in the opposite order. Actually, everything I do here in this video is written in the manual that you get along with the package with your new cartridge. So just make sure you follow the steps precisely and do not forget any part uninstalled. Not sure if you noticed, but I intentionally skipped installing the white color part that limits the usage of hot water, because I just don't want to have that restriction in my faucet. When you're done, don't forget to turn on your water supply and you're all set. Thank you for watching and good luck with your projects.